If you're managing multiple reviews for even 2 to 3 locations or multiple clients, you already know the nightmare. You're logging onto your Google, then Facebook, then Yelp, switching accounts, missing notification, and losing track of what's been replied to. Go High Level just fixes everything up in one update. And in this video, I'll exactly show you on how you can set it all up. Now, here's the real problem. Online reviews are one of the biggest trust signals for any local business. 90% of customers check reviews before they actually buy your product. But most business owners are scattered across 5 different platforms with no central view, no way to respond fast, and no system that leads and sales walking out the door. Basically, Go High Level just rolled out something called multi-page reputation integrations. Basically, in plain English, you can now connect more than 52 platforms, something like Google, Facebook, Yelp, Booking.com, and dozens more, all inside one dashboard. And the big thing here is that you can connect multiple pages per platform. So if you have 3 Google business profiles or managing 5 clients all in one place, basically you have no limit whatsoever. And so here's how you actually set it up. Of course, you need to go to the GoHighLevel.com. You want to log in your account. And so simply inside your Go High Level dashboard, you will be able to find this menu inside the reputation section. So it's going to be this window right here. And then simply once inside, you want to click on setting. Now, it's going to be at the top of the screen itself, right beside the GBP optimization. So let's click on it. And here you have something like your reviews AI, the review link, SMS request, and more. But the specific option that we are looking for is the integration setting. Now, this is where we could spot all of the integrations that we could connect into. So maybe you have something like Airbnb, Amazon, Caring.com, and many more. You can just go ahead and connect it inside this page. You can also add a custom link if you want to, or you can then search for the integration section inside this page. So most likely you are going to be connecting this to your Google business profile. So you just want to click on the connect account. Now, normally it will just say setting. And then in here, let's go ahead and connect it onto something like our Facebook. And then we can connect it easily by integrating us to this pop-up menu, allowing us to go ahead and link our account to Google. Basically, it's going to look something like this, where it will say continue as your page name right here. So of course you want to click on continue, and then right after you will be able to integrate your accounts together. Now, basically in here, you could do the same thing once again for a lot of integrations for something like Canva and many more. You could do the same thing for something like Google Calendar right here, the normal Google, WhatsApp, Yelp listing, whatever platform your business is on. And then right after, to go ahead and take a look at all of the account reviews on your Go High Level, you just want to navigate back to your reputation once again. And then simply inside this page, every review from every platform that you simply connected from every locations is in one feed. Now we have our star rating right here. You have your platform, date, and the full review right there on this single page. Now here's the part that I love, because I go ahead and set up the GHL automation that triggers whether a new review comes in. Basically, it tags it by platform and star rating. And if it's a 4-star or 5-star, it automatically skews a reply draft for me to approve in one click. Or if it is a 1-star or 2-star, it pings me immediately on Slack so I can respond personally within hours. The result zero review falls through cracks. The response time went from days to actually under an hour, and I never have to log into 5 different platforms again. And so you want to go ahead and think about what this means for your business or for your clients. Basically, faster reviews, response directly improve your local SEO ranking. Having all your reputation in one place means you can actually see the pattern from different customers, their testimonials, the reviews, the mistakes, and many, many more. Basically, it includes what people love, what needs fixing, and if you're an agency managing clients, this is a service that you can charge for. Centralized reputation management used to cost around $200 per month as a standalone tool, and this is already inside the GHL or Go High Level. Once again, it's going to be inside the reputation page right here. Just simply click on setting, integrations, and you could connect whatever platform your business is into. So that's how easy it is. And if you want to go ahead and view all of the reviews, the stores, the comments, and many, many more, it's just going to be inside the reputation sections overview. And so I also built a prompt that you can actually use with GoHighLevel's AI reply feature or with ChatGPT if you want to draft your own responses. It's going to be in the description box below. It's completely free. You can copy and paste it onto, once again, GoHighLevel or ChatGPT, and it will generate a professional on-brand review reply in seconds for any star rating. Now, Go High Level is the foundation for never missing a lead or a review again. I help small businesses owners and agency owners by sharing the exact automation for such workflows. Now, I've personally tested this out. This is a newly created account right here. It doesn't have anything on it, but of course, for the other accounts, we have something like the total revenue of this specific money right here. Now, you could go ahead and test out Go High Level for free for at least 14 days. No credit card required. The link is going to be on the description box below. Sign up through my link, reply to the welcome email, and I'll send you the review automation I built on this video, ready to be imported onto your account. The link is going to be on the description box below. And of course, I'll make sure to see you on the next one.